Hi, Billy Goodnick with GardenWise. I'm at the Santa Barbara Botanic Garden native plant nursery. Great place for all your landscaping needs, especially natives, okay? We're trying something different here. We're gonna do kind of like speed rounds. I've got Alejandro Lemus joining me. He's our plant expert, and we're gonna talk about different applications and ways of using native plants in your garden. First category, somebody's got a big sunny area. They need a little something in the background that's going to get some height, maybe screening or whatever, something in the mid-ground, and maybe some kind of ground cover. So we're going like Papa Bear, Mama Bear, Baby Bear. Where do we go? What are some of your favorites? Where do we start?
Yeah, I love that question. I would actually start with the background plant. So I actually have a great plant right here. This one here is our Toyon. Stays evergreen year round, gets to be between 8 to 12 feet tall, really great screening plant. So if you're looking to create privacy with your neighbors, definitely recommend the Toyon. It helps stabilize soil with its really rigorous or strong, robust root system. And you actually get really nice white flowers in the springtime, followed by red berries that are edible for birds.
So it's like a holly.
It's like a holly.
Like a traditional holly.
It's very similar to holly, but it's actually in the rose family. It's in the rose family.
Oh yeah, you cut through the fruit and you can see the little star point.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's Toyon, and I've seen them grown almost tree-like with just one or two trunks, or you can just let them go feral and give a big background plant. The other thing I like about them is they are prunable, even though they have a nicer character if you let them run. You can treat them as a hedge if you have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's Papa Bear. Where do we go? Where do we go below that?
So we got Papa Bear right here. We have Toyon. Let's grab our sage.
Okay, not much to look at right now, but we're going to cut away to some beautiful flowers. Sage, first thing. If you don't have time to go for a hike, just
smell your sage. It's
smell
gonna be
your
great.
sage.
It's going to be great. Just smell your sage.
What are the flowers like?
So this one here, this is our Allen Chickering sage. This one has purple flowers in a whorl structure, so they're really, really beautiful in the springtime, really great at attracting hummingbirds. This Allen Chickering sage, similar to other sages, gets to be about 3 to 5 feet tall, 3 to 5 feet wide.
About in here?
Yeah, about yay big, rounded growth habit, really nice medium-sized shrub that's going to help reduce your water costs. It's going to help invite wildlife to your yard. And it's going to add a really fragrant native plant.
The other thing I like about it, when you combine it with that, is we've got kind of a gray-green here. It's a lighter green, and we've got the dark green from the Toyon. Okay, what are we going to carpet with?
What are we going to carpet with?
I know.
Yes, he knows. What do we got here? What do we got here?
Well, it's one of the Arctostaphylos or manzanita related plants.
Yeah, so this one here is our Pacific Mist manzanita. Really nice ground cover. I really like the pointed leaves on this, really narrow pointed leaves, really nice green color. What I really like about the manzanitas, especially as a ground cover, are the cinnamon colored bark, or this red colored bark at the base of the plant. Really robust ground cover. It can cover 5, 6, 7 feet fairly quickly. Loves full sun here in Santa Barbara County, followed by really nice white flowers in the winter.
Oh, they're beautiful. They look like little porcelain urns,
little
turned
urn-shaped flowers. Really attractive to hummingbirds. So really
and manzanita means.
Manzanita means little apple in Spanish.
Okay,
so those are the fruits that are followed in the springtime after the flowers are pollinated. You get these little fruits that are attractive to birds.
Anything we need to be careful about planting any of these? Some are in terms of drainage, soil. These seem to all fall in the garden friendly
Yes, so for
category.
the most part, a lot of these plants that we selected from the Toyon, the sage, this manzanita are tolerant of most soils. So if you have heavier clay soils that hold on to water for a long time, these would be great options.
Just don't overwater them.
Just don't overwater.
Right. So water them when they need it.
So here at the garden, we recommend watering these plants deeply and infrequently, allowing the plants in the soil to dry down to a depth of 3-4 inches before watering again.
Gotcha. Great. Yeah. Okay, sunny slope.
Sunny slope.
If you want to know more about these plants, Alejandro might be around at the nursery. There are 2 plant sales every year. There's one in spring, one in the fall. Look at all the media, newspapers, online stuff. You'll find out when they are, and you'll get some great advice on picking out plants.